Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Jimmy Mastery. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to play a strategy that I absolutely love. It is the most winning crap strategy that has ever been designed. The win rate is about 80%, so it doesn't have my highest win rate, but the amount that you win is huge. Like when you win. Like it's big, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and show that to you guys. I do, real quick before I begin, I do have an announcement for all my bronze, silver, and gold. I apologize for the last 2 weeks. I have not been going to the casino. Been working on a few projects with my K-pop group in South Korea. And I basically am going to, I've already actually booked it, but I booked a boat cruise and I get to film on the boat cruise. So you'll have a lot of videos to watch. I'm gonna film my entire trip. I'm gonna do a nice vlog for you guys. It's all gonna be private for the bronze, silver, and gold, so be patient. I also mailed out silver and gold gifts to your residents. If you did not receive a gift, make sure that you go to jimmymastery.com, go through the contact form and send me your full name and your address with your zip code. Also your phone number in case I need to call you or something like that, but it's for your gift for being a silver and gold. You guys get gifts for those positions, okay? For being a member of my channel. And you guys get to access all of the vlogs of the real casino play, okay? So I really wanted to go crazy this year for you guys, but the first 2 weeks of the year so far, I've been so busy with things coming up with my K-pop group, okay? All right, let's get started, guys. Now, I'm not going to basically teach you why I'm playing here. You're gonna just observe, okay? So I'm just gonna talk to the dealer as if I'm at the casino and I'm talking to the dealer, okay? Let me have a 5, please. 7 out. Point is an 8. Can I have a 5, please? 8 point is hit. I'm gonna be off. 7 out, or 7. 9 will be the point. Okay, we're working. 8. Let me get 60, please, on the 6. 5. Okay, let me remove my 6, please. Down on my 6, please. Six. Get 60 on the 8, please. Get 75 on the 4, please. 8. Down on my 4 and my 8. Seven out. Eight. Can I get a 4, please? 7 out. 6 is the point. Can I get a 10, please? 8. Can I get 60 on the 8, please? 7 out. 7. 7. Hard 4 is the point. Can I get 50 on the 5? 7 out. 4 is the point. 75 on the 9. 3. Can I get 120 on the 6, please? 6. Down on the 6. 6. Can I get two green on the 5? 9. Down on the 9, please. 11. Can I get 2 green on the 8, please? 5. Down on the 5. 3. Can I get 3 green on the 10? 9. Can I get 1 black on the 5? 12. Can I get 1.5 on the 9? There's a 9. That was a 639. Down on the 9. Let me come off the 5. Take me down on the 8. Reduce my 10 to 2. 8. Let me get 3 on the 5. There's a 9. You get 1 black on the 8 with 4 red. 8. Okay, let me come down on the 5 and the 8, please. Hard 10. Could you move my 10 to the 6? Five. 3 on the 9. Okay, I'm gonna be off. 11. 8. 10. Get 1 black on the 4, please. 10. Let me get 1.5 on the 5. 4. Could you remove me off of everything except for the 6, please? $10. Do 3 on the 4. 11. 1 black on the 9. 10. 1.5 on the 5. 5. Could you remove me off of everything except for the 6, please? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and cash out, dealer. Could you take me off of the 6? Here's the start. Here's what I'm bringing up to the cage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's for you, dealers. You guys have a great day. Hit that like button before you go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel.